Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the settings app on your mobile device and head over to the general tab. Now select iPhone storage and locate the Facebook app. After that, tap on offload app and then reinstall the app again. This is a fresh install of Facebook, so it will fix any bugs available. Now open the Facebook app, tap on your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile banner at the top of the screen. Then tap on the three dots menu and you can see that the problem has been fixed. And that's how you can fix Facebook professional mode not showing. Hope you like the video. Thanks.